Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beat. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Can you swim?
Yes, I can. I can swim freestyle, backstroke, and breaststroke.
Question number 2. Do you like swimming?
I do indeed. Swimming is an excellent way to stay fit, get some exercise, and have fun. It's also a great way to stay cool in hot weather.
Question number 3. How often do you swim?
I swim 2 or 3 times per week on average. I swim in my neighborhood pool or on occasion at a lake or beach.
Question number 4. Do you prefer to swim in the sea or in a swimming pool?
I would rather swim in a pool. Pools are usually cleaner and better maintained than the sea, and they have more amenities such as slides, diving boards, and so on. Pools are usually cleaner and better maintained than the sea, and they have more amenities such as slides, diving boards, and so on.
Question number 5. Is it difficult to learn how to swim?
No, it doesn't. Anyone can learn to swim with patience, practice, and instruction. Anyone can learn to swim with patience, practice, and instruction.
Question number 6. Is swimming very popular in your country?
Swimming is very popular in my country, particularly during the hot summer months when people want to cool off and participate in some outdoor activities. It is also a healthy form of exercise that people of all ages and abilities can participate in. Furthermore, many local pools and beaches offer swimming classes and lessons, making it even easier for people to learn how to swim.
Question number 7. Are there many places to swim near you?
Yes, there are numerous swimming spots near me. There is a public pool, several lakes and ponds, and a beach nearby.
Question number 8. Should it be a compulsory activity for children at school?
That is purely subjective. Some people believe that swimming should be a mandatory school activity, while others believe that it should be optional. Those who believe swimming should be made compulsory may argue that it is an important life skill that all children should learn. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.